Hi everyone, Ben from Latitude Motorhomes, and we have another Meridian 30. So this one, what's this, the third Meridian in a row, third or fourth in a row. We've got another one coming up in a couple of weeks as well, which is very cool. So all the builds really starting to come through nicely. Yeah, we've got on top of a few parts issues, things starting to come through nicely. So the Meridian 30, for those that don't know, is our top of the range model. Ooh, it's going to rain. I might have to race inside quickly. Yeah, looking like it's going to rain. So Meridian 30, 9.1 meters long. The top spec Iveco, 7.2 ton, 210 horsepower, airbag suspension, all the option packs, all of that. Very beautiful motorhome. This one's got the simple design on the outside. I'm going to rush through out here a bit because it's starting to sprinkle. Outside TV, these guys went to a 43-inch television outside above the 32, so this minimises the space here a little bit, which with the 32 you can fit a wider range of barbecues and stuff there. I like the 43. We might make that standard for the 26 pricing, and obviously you'll still have the option to go back down to the 32 if you need that extra storage for a barbecue, so that's pretty cool. Look at some of the other videos if you want to see 2 4-kilo gas bottles, 600 amp hours of lithium battery, 3 kilowatt inverter, the new Alpha 100 charging unit, that's all down in there. Spare tyre on the back, beautiful electric awning there. Nice colours on this one. They've got a lighter colour, it's called aluminium for the bottom compared to the magnet grey that you often see. Metal bumper bar, spare tyre on the back. They've added these jerry can holders on the back. That's a handy little thing if you think you need more fuel. I mean, they've got the long range tank in this one too, so it's probably not much need for it, but it's just one of those things you can add. 360 camera there. They've added the dash cam above it as well, so the dash cam that we use is a truck-based one, has a front and rear camera hardwired in, so that's nice. You can add that on there. On this side we have all our service hookups, so water fill, town water pressure, power inlet, a hot water service here, and this is just a service panel for in the back of the washing machine. So you'll see on the other side here with the washing machine. On this side, oh, maybe the rain is going to settle down. I'm probably rushing a bit compared to normal. Got some more of the power gear under here, so it's all really well laid out and very serviceable. So down track, if you've got to upgrade or swap parts over, it's super easy. Got the generator there, so standard with the generator still. Leveling legs underneath. Most of these expensive items are all standard, guys, in this model. This is pretty much the very best motorhome you can buy in Australia, which is cool. All right, under the bed, lots of storage in under here. That's nice. You can see those actuators there, so we'll see that when we go inside. They've got an electric lift bed, and the reason they've done that is it's allowed us to have a full-length mattress. I'll work this lock in a moment. Full-length mattress that lifts up when you drive. So you can have a proper queen length mattress at 6'4" or whatever it is. A bit of noise here today. Lots of door storage. Hopefully I can edit that sound out of the background there with the trucks coming past. Everyone's busy around here at the moment. It's good. Alright, just quickly on the outside because I can see this weather's starting to turn. Side step standard. Make sure you check out some of the other videos if you want to see more of the outside. Goodness me. Got the steady lights on the front. Alright, let's head inside. Oh. Yeah, I've actually brought in the colour form so I can start telling people the colours, because I do know that a lot of the people that have orders in place like to use these videos. Wow, look at that. That looks cool. Anyway, they like to use the videos for inspiration for their own colour choices. So if we have a look here, this one has got, for the leather, it's called indigo. So it's still got a slight navy tinge to it. The bench top is called black marble. It's quite nice. Now, normally the standard setup would have all of these drawer fronts here. In this combination, they'd have the carbon black, so you see the black that's around here. What they've done is they've paid a little bit extra to get some extra sheets cut with the white, so they can have the choice between black and white, and they've gone for the white there. So I prefer the black myself. In that contrast would look better, but this works really well too. It looks good. The white colour we have on the cabinets that you see around, that's called Arctic True Gloss. The black that you see in the other areas is called Carbon True Gloss. And then the splashback is called Midnight Blue. So it's like a navy kind of blue, so see what they're going for, I like it. And then you have the oak white floor. And outside colours, the main one there was the Firmament Blue Gloss, which was the feature colour that was the blue out there. So you can see they've gone for a bit of a navy blue kind of look through here, which is really good. I'll walk to the back and we'll come back to the front again. Beautiful colours. Very nice. So we'll start at the front and start opening some things up. Very noisy today. I don't know if I'll be able to edit that truck noise out. Okay, 220 odd litre fridge. You can see that's on, ready to go. Now being the Meridian, you also get the drawer fridge as standard. It's all nice and cold. Both the front seats will swivel around. They've added the UHF radio, which I like. Standard with the 10-inch monitor for the 4K 360 camera system. The Iveco has Apple CarPlay standard, time monitoring, radar cruise. We get the higher quality seats from them as well. So essentially all the option pack that you can get from Iveco we have. The leveling system, there is an app for that too, which is nice. Lots of good storage. Very nice. All beautifully lined and such. Alright, so in the kitchen, the 2026 spec and 25 spec has the induction cooktop, the big sink there with all the inserts and stuff. We have cupboard space. We've got the, what we call an appliance cupboard here. So, got the twin power points in the back. And then here, pull out the bench extension. So you imagine you got your coffee machine, toaster kettle, whatever, pulls out nicely to there. And then packs away behind that cupboard, which is locked when you're driving. So, and super easy, one hand. Love it. The microwave is a combination grill, oven, microwave. So that's beautiful. Lots of drawer space. We really maximise the amount of drawer space you've got. You've got the Fisher & Paykel dish drawer. It's another standard feature. Very nice. And then more drawers. These are really big, so often when people come and have a look after seeing the videos, they're really, it's hard to kind of get across just how big these drawers are and how big the benches are on the videos. So whatever you see, probably imagine that it's even more again, which is good. Beautiful. Alright. This is the standard lounge setup, guys, with the diamond stitching. It's like an L with an extension on it as well. So that's good. Perfect viewing for the television. That comes out on a bracket that pulls out. Good size dining table there. Love it. Control panel is pretty straightforward. Awning controls, slide it in and out. You got your radar control. So you can turn everything on and off from there. And there's another one matching next to the bed, as well as an app on your phone. Generator control and the Cymarine water level gauges. This, for 2024 and 2025 is an extra. In the 2026 prices, that'll be standard when we release those. So, but definitely worth adding, and you'll see if you've watched a few videos, people are putting those in. The little bin there, nicely located just next to the doorway. More cupboard space. So even with this extra length bed here, there's still a good amount of walk space between there, so that's good. So it goes from 188 centimetre long bed, or about 6'2", up to 2050, which is, what's that, 6'6" or something. So it's nice. Lots of wardrobe space. I've added the mirror there too. And drawers. Very beautiful. Absolutely love it. Each side of the bed's got wireless chargers on top, and also down the bottom there, it's hard to see against the black, but you've got the double USB ports, so that's got USB-A and USB-C there. Beautiful cupboards all around. They've added little Sorco fans, there's a couple of those around here, so that's good. The rush on the outside with the rain has shortened this video up a bit. Normally there's about 20 minutes. It looks like we're going to be done pretty quickly. This is the, we call it a broom cupboard, or often it's referred to as a Dyson cupboard. So this little cupboard in the bathroom, it's got a power point in there, and there's a number of different stick vac models that will fit in here perfectly, along with, you know, brooms and whatnot that you've got too, which is good. This model comes standard with the marine flushing toilet. I've had a few customers change over to the composting type toilet as well now in this model, so we've got a few of those coming up. There's pros and cons with both of those, and when you place your order we can discuss the feedback we've had from customers. Lots of drawers. Really try and maximise the amount of space we've got. So what you can see me in there. Lots of cupboard space. Very nice. They've added, I think they've added this little power point here for some toothbrush chargers or something. Just cool. Big front load washer dryer. So this is a 10 kilo washer, 5 kilo dryer. Lots of good feedback on that model. Interestingly enough, I've had some customers, they didn't work out the washer amount, but they did work out for me the Fisher & Paykel dish drawer uses 10 litres of water and around 8% of the, or 7 or 8% of the battery. So that can be beneficial when you're trying to save water. So you obviously the convenience of running the dishwasher is also good for your water consumption, because it'd be very easy to use more than 10 litres when you're washing up by hand. So I like it. It's good getting feedback like that from some of our customers, particularly the ones that do use them quite a lot. We've got a few customers that pretty much live in these things full time. Some of them never intended to, but they just go away and don't want to come home, so they just keep going, which I like to hear. Alright, so quickish video today, just with the weather. It's a little bit later in the day for the handover for the customer too, so I want to get them in there. Be waiting in the office, all excited, no doubt. So another beautiful motorhome. I went through the colours earlier. It's always good to finish on that shot right there, isn't it? What a beautiful van. If we're all so lucky to be heading off in this one today. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. Any questions you can comment, send us a message on socials, or obviously even the old school way of ringing up is actually perfect, because then we get to talk to you directly. Alright, just a quick one. Enjoy your day guys, and a couple of weeks for the next video. Thank you very much.